Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa purposely bought some roast pork to stir fry with basil. Yeah, this basil already left in my fridge for over 2 days, so it doesn't look as good already, but still workable. Then I have some minced garlic and also minced big chili here. If you want more kick, use chili padi. Yeah, so I will need a bit of oyster sauce, light soy sauce, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, fine salt, and also some fine sugar. So let's give it some oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the garlic and also chili. Saute for a while. Already very fragrant. Garlic plus chili, always a very good combination. I use big chili because I don't want it to be too spicy for my family. Yeah? If I'm eating it myself, I will definitely use chili padi. Next thing, I'm going to add in the pork, roast pork. Oh, now I can smell the roast pork also. Super fragrant. Then I'm going to give it some light soy sauce. Tune down the fire. A bit of oyster sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any MVS restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. I think I don't need to put salt, but let's put a bit of sugar. The roast pork itself is already salty. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Look at the beautiful color that we are getting right now. Last but not least, basil leaf. If you can find Thai basil, that is the best. If not, local basil will do the trick. Give it a few stir, and I've just off the fire, and we can, right before serving, let's give it for a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Right, here's Appa, very simple Thai basil roast pork. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.